Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my hidden blade. Here it is. So yeah, and guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. Okay? Yeah, here it is. Yep. All right. So first, you need A4 scrap paper. Scrap paper A4, full size paper like this, and a quarter size paper. So one of those for the blade. Okay. So first you're gonna make the body of the blade, I guess. Okay. So you're gonna make a 8x8 grid. So you wanna fold it in half, like so. And then you wanna unfold. Then you wanna fold the other side in half. Okay. Then you wanna unfold that. Then you wanna bring all the edges to the center line right here 2 times, okay? So first, like this, and again, like so. So you're gonna do that for the rest of the side now. So just gonna take a little. Just gonna take a moment to fold. Okay, and finally the last side, same thing, of course, to that center line, right there, and then again, center line the second time. Okay, and you want to unfold that. Then now you want to fold this up like a fan. Okay, so you want to follow the crease line and fold it all the way through. Okay. Okay. So here's the fan. And now hold up the model so the edge is on top right here. Okay, like this, 2 W's right here. And now you're going to make the fan going the other direction, so this way, and same thing on the other side as well. So yeah, make sure the edge is on top facing up. And now you're going to fold that first crease line right here. Okay, so so match this edge with that edge. Okay, and fold up the corners and fold that first crease line right there. And now you want to fold that second crease line right there. Okay, so fold that second crease line down like so, and then you want to fold that third crease line right there. Okay, and fold up the corners, and finally you see those two squares right here. Yeah, those are two corners. Okay, so you want to close down on it, so pinch those two squares down. Okay, and now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so you see that first crease line right there. You want to fold that first crease line down. Yeah, like so. Then fold the corners. Okay, fold this corner as well. And then you want to fold that second crease line right there. So fold that second crease line down. Then fold the corners. And fold that third crease line right here. Like so. And then fold the corners down. And now, same thing as last time, those two squares are two corners, okay? So you want to fold up those two corners down like that. And now, okay, put your model so the shorter side is at front and the longer side is on the bottom. So you see that slant right here? Okay. And then you're going to fold this whole thing in half. Okay. So it looks like this. Okay. Like so. And then, so make sure your model looks like this. So the slant, so the shorter edge is at front and the longer edge is on the bottom. So you see that slant right there. And then if you look in the back side, you will see the little slant on the inside. Okay, so that will be the underside. Okay, so you want to take the first two layers, this piece right here, and you want to fold it all the way to the middle. Okay, and fold that down. Okay, and grab the other side and fold that all the way down to the middle. Okay, okay, like this. And then I'll come back to this after I make the blade. Okay, so now get the quarter size paper, and then you want to fold this two edge right here to this center line right there. Okay, okay, same thing on here, this edge to this center line. Make sure the point is all neat and pointy. Okay. Okay. Then you want to turn around to the flat empty side right here. And then you see that smaller triangle on top. So there's a long one and the shorter one right here. So you want to fold this triangle right up to that point right here. Okay. And make sure that point lines up with the center line. Okay. And now you're going to unfold that triangle. Okay, then you want to bring these two edges right here to that center line right here. Okay, so fold one of the side over. Then you want to unfold. Fold the other side over. Then unfold. Then you want to fold that all together. Okay. Okay, and then you want to open up this pocket right here. And kind of want to fold that down. Make sure it lines up with the center. And like that. And now you want to flip it over to the back side. And then you want to bring this two edge right here to the center line. Okay. Like so. And then you want to bring this corners right here towards the center. You can go all the way to the center, or you can kind of match it with this edge. And oh no, actually, yeah, I think it's a better idea to just go all the way to the center. So see that point? Fold it all the way to the center and kind of make sure this edge is parallel to the center line. Okay. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. Okay. Same thing on this side as well. So make sure it lines up. And matches with the other side. Okay, and now you see, if you flip it over to the front side, you see these corners right here. Kind of want to smooth that out. So you want to kind of push that in a little bit and make that little curve to the front. So just like that. So smooth out the corners right here. So a tiny bit of a corner. You can fold that in and kind of smooth that out. Okay. And now you want to slide in the blade right in here. Okay. And fold that, push that all the way in. And then you see that little triangle in the front? Okay, you want to fold that right across like so. And same thing on this side. So fold this edge and fold it right up to this corner right here, right across here. Okay, so fold that triangle right across like this. Okay, and then you see that little pocket in the front, kind of open that up just like that, then put the other triangle inside. Okay, just like that. And then fold the tip of that triangle and yeah, it will hold just a little bit by friction, but then if you want some playtime with it, then I suggest that you reinforce it with a little bit of tape if you want, okay? Unless you want to watch it from a distance, then I guess you don't need tape, but if you want some playtime, then I suggest that you use some because it won't hold. Okay, and now you can, what did I do here? So you want to open up this pocket right here. So you're going to pre-crease it first. So you want to bring that edge and fold it right up to this corner, right across here, okay? Just like that. Okay, then you want to unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket and fold in that crease line, okay? And same thing here. So this edge up to that corner, fold it right there. So that little triangle comes out. Then unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that crease line inside. Okay. Then you want to wrap this around your arm like so, and then kind of measure it up and then bring that triangle into the little pocket on the other side, okay? Like that. Ooh, this one popped out again. But it's really difficult to put this around your arm on your own. So I suggest you get some help, or you put it around your arm, then kind of tape it up, I guess, if you want. So yeah, here's my hidden blade. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.